So today I have all my airsoft stuff. So what you guys need for airsofting? So we'll go to the barrel stuff. You don't really need one of these, but I have one. It just covers your barrel. A barrel cleaner. Some silicone oil spray to clean your barrel. BBs. A speed loader. Biodegradable BBs. You don't really need one of these. I just have one. You really need these for these ones. So I have 4 mid caps and then 1 high cap. I don't think it even works. Oh, this one works. And then you need a gun. And then I just have another pistol. And then a holster. And then I have so you need a CO2 for these, and then I need CO2 to shoot these guns, and then how you get the CO2 out is this bottom thing, and then you just screw them out. But this mag goes to a different pistol. We only have one for that pistol. And then for electric, you need these. They're just like, these come with the gun. I don't know why. But then you need a battery. And then a multi-balance mini charger. I have the UFC multi-balance charger, and then I have this other one. It's Matrix tactical system. I don't think this this is a compact charger, or I just can't read. But so this is a backup gun if you run out of ammo. These hold up to 190, I think these ones do, or 108. I don't know, so that's up to you. The 25s, they don't hurt that much. I have 20 and 25s, so you probably want those ones. They fly straight when it's windy. These my guns hop up's messed up, so that's the reason why my bullets curve. Oof, there's BBs in here. Yeah, but so that's all I have for today, and see you next time on Airsofting with TL. And so see ya. Please subscribe, like and subscribe. So I'll probably shoot this in a few videos, and see you next time on Airsofting with TL. And see ya, and I hope you have a good rest of the week, and see ya.